I'm here to talk about my favorite YouTuber in the world. She donates like to the homeless. She's a great businesswoman. You know, she really knows how to. Camry said the N-word. Oh. Yeah, they said they're not really sorry about it because it's just a word. She's cancelled. Hello again, guys. I'm here to talk about Camry Jones. A few days ago, she said a bad word, but she made an apology. And, you know, I think she learned her lesson, you know, where... Hey, hi. Yeah, Camry said the N-word again. It, again? Or it was misspelled? This time, to some white people. Oh. It says just a term, you know. You know, they heard it in rap songs. But they wanted to... It was a mistake. It was a mistake. Be relatable to their friends. Okay. Because they also said the N-word. They don't understand. People told them what the word means. As of right now, she is canceled. Hey guys, I'm here to talk about Camry's new palette. Now, I don't really support her because she said some bad words, but you know, I really love her formula for her palettes. Camry kicked the cat. A cat? Oh, it was by mistake, actually. It was on video by mistake. She didn't notice. But it's the cat. But the cat. You know, she was taking care of children at the time. The cat. That poor. It was cat. Literally by mistake. And I don't know why she didn't edit out the kicking of the cat. No. How could she miss it? How could she not see it? It was a nudge. No. Okay. Alright. She is canceled. Right. Cool. You do not harm animals. Animals are innocent. Hey, Camry used wetback. They can't take care of themselves. At this Latino person. Magnificent creatures. And I will never support Camry ever again in my life.